已经摁了。
Okay, as we introduce our Cryolipolysis living machine to you. Okay, this model is our best-selling model. It's a multifunction machine, combine Cryolipolysis, radio frequency, and cavitation. Okay, basically we usually use the Cryolipolysis handles to do big error treatment. Where you got very thick fat, you will need the Cryolipolysis handles, okay, to do fat reduction. And the other handles are for some small errors, like where you cannot suck the fat inside the Cryolipolysis handle, you can use the other handles. And at the same time, the radio frequency handle can do skin tightening and skin lifting. You know, for most people, when they reduce the fat on the body, they will got skin loose. Okay, especially for some very big error. Okay, when the fat disappear, the skin got loose. So after fat reduction treatment, we usually use the radio frequency handles to do skin lifting and skin tightening. Okay, and for the Cryolipolysis handles, we have 3 models. The big one for big error. Okay, and this one is the middle one. Middle one we usually use, you know, we put one here and one here to do fat reduction. Actually, the middle size handle is what we use most. It's very useful. You can put here, here, and even put one here and one here. Okay, and we have another small size. Okay, if some people they don't have too much fat, but they need this treatment, you can use this small handles. And for some very fat people, you can also use the small handle to do the underarm arrows treatment. Wherever you can suck the fat inside your the handle, you can do treatment with it. Okay. And for the radio frequency handle, we also have a smaller one, can do face treatment, do face lifting, double chain treatment. Okay, so this machine is really very useful. It's multifunction, and what's more important is that only 2 of the Cryolipolysis handle are working at the same time. That means you can put one here and put one here. No, it can save you a lot of time for the treatment. Okay, and inside the operating system, you can see Cryolipolysis, radio frequency, and 40K cavitation. Okay, when I press Cryolipolysis, you can see we have 2 working models. One is automatic model, and the other is manual model. On the automatic model, you can see the treatment is very easy. Firstly, you just need to use the mirror. We have a knob to measure the thickness of the fat. Okay, and then for me maybe 25 or 30, so I will choose between 20 and 40 millimeter, and also maybe this arrow also 20 to 40, and then I press enter. You can see the machine has set the treatment parameter here. Okay, working time 45 minutes, cannot change. That's because it depends on the thickness of your fat. Okay, setting temperature. Okay, also cannot be changed. Okay, the only thing you can change is the intensity of the vacuum. Okay, this one you should adjust accordingly. Make sure when you do treatment, just make sure as more as possible the fat can be sucked inside the handle as more as possible, but not reach to the top to cover this one, the air mouse. Okay, so that means, but another thing is that you cannot make the customer feel very painful. So it will do treatment like this. You put the intensity here Okay, maybe start from 50, and you press here, and make sure it's stuck inside. If the customer feel very painful, and you can reduce it. Okay, until you can see, for me, exact the fat stuck inside. Okay, and with this intensity I can mirror it, but I feel little pimple because the suction is very strong, and at that time do not increase anymore, and you can try to reduce, but when you reduce confirm, the fat will not fall off, and try to confirm as much as fat can be sucked inside the handle. Okay. Okay, and if we go to the manual model, you can see manual model. This one is when you got the appearance on the treatment of this machine, you can adjust all the parameters according to your appearance. Okay, the working time. If you think this people is very fast, and maybe this the second time he come to do treatment, and he wants better result, you can increase the working time. But our suggestion is that working time is no more than 1 hour, no more than 1 hour. Okay, and the setting temperature can be also reduced to lower, but we think -10 is I think it's enough. And if they are very fat, you can reduce. But if they are not really very fat, I think for normal people maybe -5, and for fat people -8, -10 is okay. And this one all can be auto adjusted, and then you press these two to working, the two handles working. Okay, and our machine has in the system, you can see it's very easy to operate, and there is a special design that these two buttons. Basically, we will recommend to open this and this. This is the make the handle warm for the first 3 minutes. Okay, and you can see if I press work here. If I press work here, no, sorry. Okay. Yeah, okay. When the light is red, it start to the LED light got red, it start to warming up, and you can see the real temperature here. It will increase until it's reached to 40 degrees. Okay, so it will stop. Okay, you don't worry about safety because we have a temperature control system inside. Will be no more than 40 degrees, and with this degree, it can increase the blood circulation of the treatment area, and make the treatment more comfortable, and to avoid the redness after the treatment. Okay, this handle is same, you can see, and basically after 3 minutes warming, it will start to reduce automatically. Okay, until it reaches to the setting temperature here. Okay. Yeah, and for the handle, we use very special. We have paid a lot of attention to the handle. Inside the handle, there are in each side there are 4 cooling pads inside, and this side 4, totally 8 cooling pads inside. So we can confirm here appeared is the real temperature. Okay, some of the machines they did not real temperature here. Okay, and this one is soft, so it makes the treatment comfortable. It's a medical special use gel. Okay, and the pebble from Germany, and here is LED LCD screen. Okay, yeah, you can when you do treatment, you can here will appear. You can see if we increase appear the parameters here. Temperature, the vacuum, the machine, the handle working station. See? It makes the treatment make the treatment very easy. You know, you put this handle here and just press this one, it will start work. And during cryolipolysis treatment, there is another thing. You can ask the customer, okay, hold this one, and because you know during most treatment, you just leave the customer in the treatment room and do some reading or something, relax. And when they feel, if they really feel uncomfortable, they can press this one, and then the machine stop work. Okay, so it's a safety control. Okay, and now you can see the handle start, the light turn blue. Okay, and now you can see here the temperature start to reduce. It will be reduced one by one until here reach to the setting temperature. Yeah. Okay, this is the cryolipolysis. And now I would like to show you the other handles. Okay, see here. Radio frequency system. Okay, you can press here to switch the handpiece you like to use. Okay, actually radio frequency is very easy to use. I think most of the doctors have been used the radio frequency cavitation to do fat reduction. Before it's a very long time technology. Okay, and when you do this radio frequency treatment, you just put the handle on the area. You need to put some ultrasound gel or slimming oil here. Okay, and you put the handle to do like a massage, to do circling like massage. It's very comfortable. Okay, even they don't need body slimming, you can use this handle to do massage for the body. Okay, so treatment is very comfortable. Okay, when you do treatment, you will do like this. I take some ultrasound gel. Here you adjust the intensity of the RF output, and until the customer feel warm but not very hot. Do not burn the skin. Okay, not very hot is okay. And then you do treatment like this here. Okay, and during treatment you need to ask the feeling of the customer. Okay, for me now I have no feeling, no heat, no other feeling, so I need to increase some intensity. Okay. There's still no heat, so I increase. Now I feel only a little warm, and if I can bear it, I can increase. The treatment is really very comfortable. Okay, but you need to keep the handle move on the treatment area, or it will be easy to burn the skin. Okay, it's very comfortable. Treatment is like this. For the radio frequency treatment, I think for the setting is 20 minutes to half an hour is enough. Okay, for different error. For small error, maybe only 5 minutes. For my arm, 5 minutes is enough. And for the big error, you do 20 minutes. Okay, yeah. Treatment is comfortable. And this one is similar. And the other handle, cavitation. Okay, it's for fat break. It breaks the fat cells into very small pieces. Okay, and for some arrow that like the leg, the arm, and some small arrow like the back, you can do the cavitation treatment. The treatment method is similar as radio frequency. You adjust the intensity here, press work, put it on the treatment arrow. Okay, for most people, they will have ear shaking. You hear the noise. Okay, you must make sure somebody is very sensitive to noise. So if they are really very sensitive, you don't use very strong energy. But the really different the cavitation is that the higher intensity, the better results. Okay, you need to make sure it shake the fat cells here. Okay, and the treatment is similar like this one, like a massage. Okay. You don't feel heat or not? You don't need to feel it. Okay. Treatment is very easy. Okay. Okay, so this machine is really very useful. You can do nearly the whole body treatment. Okay, and I think that's enough for the introduction of this machine. Yeah. Right.